I saw this Christmas decor piece online and I decided to make my own version. Let's jump in.
Okay,
This right here is what I made
so at
out
the
of
end
it.
of
One
the
is on the
day,
door and that one is at
it's
the
fine.
entrance. Behind there is the Christmas tree I made.
This
The
is what
tutorial
I
is below.
see.
So let's jump in. So I picked two cartons, cut them into circles, and I stuck the two cartons together using the glue gun. And then I use a glue gun on top of the carton again, and I got this green fabric right here. So I put the green fabric on top of it and I just, gummed it on top of it. And then what I'm going to be doing right here is to gum the green fabric to the carton, but I'll start by notching the edges just so that by the time I use it to gum it, it will stay put and stay very well. By the time I'm done notching, I'll start applying the gum and I'll start gumming it. And this right here is how I'll gum it. Put the gum right at the edge and just use it to cover it up. Notching it just helps it sit smoothly without any rough edge around it. So by the time we finish gumming it, this right here is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and cut off the excess fabric just so that it smoothens out, it looks good, it looks reasonable and all of that. So this right here is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and start attaching this Christmas garland, whatever it's called, on the edges. So I just use the glue gun that way and just stick it down there. I'm going to do that to cover it around. Now at this point it's up to you to cover it all the way around, to maybe have a Merry Christmas inscription in middle. Whatever it is you're going to do at this point is up to you. I could decide to even leave it like this, but it look good, but I want to go all out to cover it up. That's the second layer right there. The next one we're going to be doing right now is the third layer. Cut off the excess and then I'll also do a third layer. Now you can use the same type. I used two different types right here because I just felt it looked prettier. So I'm going to fill in the third layer right here. I put the gum as usual and just stick this one right here. Just put the gum around it and stick it right. Make sure your gum is very hot. Another alternative to this gum right here is you can use your glue, like super glue. It will stay, but I prefer this kind of gum. You can also use UHU, but I don't know if UHU will stay, but I'm sure super glue and this glue gun will stay right there. So I just closed it up. Feel free to put anything you want at the middle. I'll just cut off the excess right there and then I'm going to fill in the middle, but this time around for me I'm going to be using a flower, or you can use a bow, you can use a Merry Christmas inscription, you can use a Christmas decoration, whatever it is. Now for me I left mine plain, but you can use anything else to decorate this thing. You could use gold balls, red balls, whatever. So I came right here to just hang it at the entrance right here. So I went to this giant other ring that I also created. I also have the tutorial in the description, and then I also attached it with an invisible thread to this particular one right here. I just wanted to create something a bit different. So this was how it actually turned out at the end of the day by the time I did it. Now using an invisible thread just makes it look a little invisible, neat and all of that. So this right here is what it looks like by the time I finished the project. And then the one I went ahead to put on the door, this right here is what it also looked like. Thanks so much for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.